Gen Z screenshot. They press Alt plus A to open WeChat screenshot, select the area and paste. But Gen Alpha? Just hit Win plus Shift plus S. Instantly opens the powerful screenshot tool. Crop any shape, any size, exactly how you want. Super smooth. Control plus Shift plus 1. Instantly removes all decimal points. Control plus Shift plus 2. Formats numbers as time in 1 second. Control plus Shift plus 3. Turns numbers into clean date. Control plus Shift plus 4. Applies currency format. Control plus Shift plus 5. Converts numbers to percentages with press Control plus slash to spot the differences in 1 second. Control plus Shift plus 1 instantly removes all decimal point. Alt plus Enter forces a new line inside a cell. Alt plus equals sums your data instantly. Control plus T turns your data into a beautiful formatted table. Alt plus F1 creates a chart in 1 second. Control plus Shift plus 1 instantly removes all decimals. Control plus backslash highlights the different. Alt plus equals, one tap totals. Control plus T turns your data into a beautiful formatted. Alt plus F1 creates a chart. New colleagues still don't know how to use Control plus J? Boss gives you messy data like this and wants it split. You gonna copy paste one by one all day? Here's the pro way. First, select your data range. Go to the Data tab, click Text to Columns. Click Next, check Other, then press Control plus J to enter the line break character. Click Next, select your destination cell and hit Finish. Boom! Perfectly split in seconds. You got this? Control plus D instantly fills down. Control plus R fills to the right. Control plus / finds differences fast. Control plus A selects the whole table. Control plus T makes a beautiful. And Control plus semicolon inserts today. Control plus Shift plus 1 instantly removes all. Control plus Shift plus 2 applies time form. Control plus Shift plus 3 sets date format. Control plus Shift plus 4 converts to currency. Control plus Shift plus 5 turns numbers in. Learn these 3 keyboard keys, and you can ask your boss for a raise. First, the Control key. Control plus C to copy, Control plus V to paste. Second, the Windows key. Windows plus D instantly shows your desktop. Third, the Alt key. Alt plus F4 quickly closes any program. Super! Still using Alt plus equals to sum your data? Big pros are laughing at you. Look at this table. You don't need to select cells and press Alt plus equals anymore. Just click any cell in the table, then press Control plus T to turn it into a super table. Next, check the box for total row at the top. Now the bottom row can show sum, average, maximum, minimum, whatever you want with just one click. This is how pros do it. Much cleaner, right? Save this trick. Need to turn shipping numbers into barcodes in Excel? Easy. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, then the wrench icon for more controls. Select Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0 and click OK. Click and drag to draw the barcode. Right-click it, go to Properties, click the 3 dots next to Custom, choose the 7th style, code 128, and hit OK. Then set linked cell to your number cell, like B4, and close the window. That's it. Now when you change the number, the barcode updates automatically. Perfect for logistics. Follow me for more awesome office tips.